Now we are going to see about AWS Lambda functions that something called configurations section. So you can write an event actually. So on basis of some event, this Lambda function has to trigger and where what's supposed to do. So in order to do that, so these are the events are there on call of API what are you supposed to do. So it's asking which API you have to map with this Lambda functions. Okay, so these stuffs in real time practical thing we will see in upcoming video. Right now, try to understand like high level. Let me go to the function. Okay, and I will map this trigger to this Lambda functions and what action should be done at the last. So in Lambda, I'll write the logic and finally I will whether I want to do some notifications or something like that. So these are the things are there actually. Okay. Okay. So this is the stuff, and this is the actual Lambda code you have written. Okay. And this environment which we discussed in the previous videos actually. So tag is just adding the name to that to to understand that for the tracking and as well as for the cost effective thing actually. And this is the important thing. Okay, so this is my basic settings. So how much memory I have to run it, what is my execution time. So maximum is 15 minutes I think. So you will define here only I think. So maximum is 15 I think. So you can see here. So maximum 15 and you have maximum of 3000 something, so 3008 MB only you can do. Based upon that your memory size also increase. When you are increasing memory, automatically the timeout period also increase actually. Okay, so this is that one. Next, if you come next is if you want to run this Lambda function in some specific VPC, you can configure. Right now I'm not configuring. Say X-ray is nothing but it's a trace purpose. You want to trace that any error has happened while running this Lambda functions. You want to track it out. So that is the purpose of X-ray actually. Uh, and here's something called concurrency. So suppose you want to create like a thread. I want to execute the same Lambda functions like at the same time I want to process this event like multiples. Like right now it can handle like 1000, but you can increase that one actually. So this is like I'm not sure how much. So you can't go below 1000. So reserve count. So you have something you can define. I want only 200, not more than 1000, something like that, because you should not use everything in that concurrency actually. So basically, what happened is that it runs like a containers, because this is serverless architectures. It runs like a containers or a Docker the thing. So we are executing a parallel thread such that we like asynchronous call and we'll do the execution thing. Okay. This is like a database proxy. I'm just ignoring that thing. Okay. Uh, that's it. So once you map the trigger and it will tell that this on change of this, it will call these functions and it will map it to these destinations. So this we will see one practical example in upcoming video. Okay. Uh, thank you.